It's Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We've just had our final inspection to go ahead and cover up, so all of our wiring is taken care of in here. We've got all of our boxes positioned properly here. Let's see, got our wires hanging down for the garage door opener here. There's really nothing left that's required to go inside here except a little insulation when we get to that point. And if we come out front, we can see that we've got all of our wire and lathe up, and we've got some nice detailing here. This whole front section was redone because this whole beam had to be taken care of. It wasn't secured properly, and there was some rot at the end of it, so we took care of that. And you can see the waterproof deck membrane is coming over the front of the stucco system, and of course it's not going to stay that way, but we're going to stucco up underneath it, and then we have a detail where we tie it in over the stucco to counter flash it. And if you look here over at the windows, they're extensively flashed and waterproofed, probably with 3 times the amount that's actually needed. But this is the effort we go to, especially when we're doing jobs and we've had problems with waterproofing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sneak up on top here. Bear with me. Okay, sorry about that. So you can see the detail of our waterproof deck system that is coming over the stucco system. We pre-installed our flashing here, and stucco is going to come underneath, and ultimately we're going to slide a gutter underneath that's going to be downspouted down to the ground. And we'll take a look at a few other pieces of detailing here. See if I can kind of get through this here. As we take a look up on the deck here. Okay, so over here we have our waterproofing detailing up here where all of this was broken out, and what I'm going to do is put the camera down for 1 second. Okay, and we'll take a look at how the stucco system was terminated here. Piece of J channel. Stucco's coming up here, and you can see how it's all waterproofed in the corner. So when the stucco comes in here, any water that gets behind the stucco will make its way out through the corner here, over the membrane and onto the waterproof paper. And you can see this detail. This will be the finished top, and this counter flashes the top of the stucco, and then we'll have a whole cap that comes over the top here. And probably one of the more critical details, so over here where there was originally a leak problem, just take a look at it. This is the new foam roof patch. You can see the J channel with the stucco, and see if we can get a little better look in here. This is tied into the top of this roof right here, and this roofing system is all flashed and waterproofed in here. And assuming any water hit and came down here, it only has 2 places to go, either out on the foam roof or down in the corner. And of course, all of that's a standard heavy waterproof detail in that corner, so we've got no issues there. So this corner is buttoned up very, very nicely. And our waterproof deck membrane has come over and counter flashed over the foam roofing system, and you can also now see the finished waterproof deck system that's up here. What we'll be missing is the finished stucco and the railing. And if we come over here, we will see buttoning up of this final corner over here, the waterproofing to the existing stucco wall and the tie-in with the existing foam roofing system. Okay, so this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're getting down to the end of our reconstruction project here, and we specialize in waterproof deck systems and throughout the San Francisco Bay Area, and we are general contractors. We handle all phases of the construction, and this was a leaking tile deck, of which there was another one on the rear of the house, and we had to rip this all up, redo it properly, reslope the decks, flash it properly, pull the doors, put in door pan flashing, basically all the details that go into a project here. So this is what we specialize in doing. So if you need help on a project and you need experts for waterproof deck systems and general contracting, please give us a call. This is Paul Gordon, Golden Gate Enterprises. Thank you.